What's up guys, this is Jadison. If you're watching this video, you're probably new to YouTube and you're looking for some audio clips that could use in your new vlogs. Today it's gonna be quick and short as I share to you some sound effects that famous YouTuber use in their vlogs this 2020. Before we proceed, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you get notified whenever I post new videos. Now let's get to the video. All you need to do is to upload these non-copyright sound clips and convert into MP4 formats using some free apps. And ta-da! Here we go! Enjoy!